Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel again. It has been a little while since I've put together a kitchen video, and I figured what better time than today. Got a random weekday off. It is hot as hell outside. I think it's about 95 degrees out, and I don't want to turn the oven on. I don't even want to stand outside and grill, but figured it's a good time, bust out our little crock pot and put together a simple spaghetti sauce that we make at our house all the time. It's going to taste so much better than a jar of ragu or a jar of Prego or any store brand sauce that you can buy, in my opinion. We use a McCormick thick and zesty seasoning packet. They also make a spaghetti packet that is flavored with mushroom. Couldn't tell you what it tastes like. Probably doesn't even really taste like mushrooms, but I specifically won't eat it because it has the word mushroom in it, and I don't like mushrooms. We found the McCormick packets are just better than like a store brand one, just because they seem to have better ratio of seasoning to salt. Some of those store brand ones just tend to throw a bunch of salt in there to help things taste better. But the McCormick packets, what they're going to tell you to do is do some tomato paste and water and butter or oil or something, and I'm not even messing with that. We've made this sauce so many times. We now just do it with 3 cans of tomato sauce. We just buy the cans of tomato sauce at Sam's Club by the case, just because this sauce is just so simple to make, and it tastes so much better than a pre-jarred sauce, and it takes no time at all. I have a pound of ground meat in here, ground beef actually in here. You can use ground turkey if you want, or you can make meatballs and put this sauce on it. We use this sauce when we make chicken parm. So many things this sauce is good for. Any red sauce, probably except a pizza, to be honest with you, that you would use red sauce for, this is going to be great. It's just super simple. Packet of the McCormick sauce, 3 cans of tomato sauce with your meat in the crock pot, 4 hours on high or like 6 hours on low. Do it on the stovetop if you want. All kinds of ways you can make this, and it turns out great. I just like the crock pot because it just gives it that time for everything to kind of just sit there and marinate and bubble together, and it's just overall delicious with any kind of noodle you want to make with it. All right, so after you let your time pass, like I said, about 4 to 6 hours, low and slow is definitely the way to go. Your sauce is going to be ready. Just grab yourself your favorite noodle. Give yourself a nice generous helping there. And just a delicious little red sauce. Obviously, you're going to top that with your finest Parmesan cheese, and you're going to be ready to eat. It's a fan favorite. My kids love it, and like I said, it's so much easier than using a jarred pasta. It just takes that little bit of extra time. It just tastes so much better. And hey, if you want to get a little fancy, go ahead, sub out one of the cans of tomato sauce for like a diced tomatoes or something like that. Go crazy, be fancy, I don't care. Use whatever meat you want and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this one a try, and we'll see you again next time.